That was 10 gases. I'm just doing a cool down. Walk around the field. Might do like 2.
Say man, we all about $1. Say man, we all about this business. Say man, you know we about our business. Say man, it's a box truck thing. Say man, it's a business thing. Say man, we all about $1. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here.
Top of the morning, y'all. Y'all see me. I'm out here. I still got my trucker headset on it, taped up. It's another one, y'all. It's another one. It's another vlog. Y'all gonna rock with me today. I ain't got much going on, but we'll see. It's like 8 o'clock. I got up late today. I usually get up at 4. It's like 2 weeks since 2 Saturdays in a row. I got up late. I'm about to do my little cardio. Today's a cardio day. I'm at the park. See it. Do a little cardio. You know what I mean? And we'll see what today entails. I got a couple things though, like clean out my garage, but nothing exciting. But we're gonna see how the day turn out. If I give y'all this video, that means it turned out a little okay.
Different level, different lifestyle. Millions! Yeah, oh, we do it. Tell her now, yeah, that. Oh, we do it.
We a lead giveaway. Fat Mark X man a push blocky lane. 2 duffel bag in a chunk it off away. You ever count money till the sleep is away. Dream me a count up cake. Wake up back put him money on scale. Never know a 1 gram $100 way. Ask Pablo I chop over my tell that straight. Tell them we a lead giveaway.
Different level, different lifestyle. Millions! Yeah, oh, we do it. Tell her now, yeah, that. Oh, we do it.
Alright, fix this up so I look right for the TV. So, check me out, y'all. That was 10 gases. I'm just doing a cool down. Walk around the field. Might do like 2 laps, just walk around. Cool down. I mean, let's see what we're doing after this. I know I gotta straighten up my garage. I gotta get my garage right.
God, I thank the Lord, I'm a big believer.
We're gonna see what the day entails.
I'm so lucky, Lord, I'm
I'll let y'all know though.
I'm a God beat at this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. Told you. I gotta thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. Only got the Lord, it's got nobody. I'm a God beat at this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see.
Alright, y'all. Now, I was on vlog today. I did a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't record nothing. I didn't record anything, okay? But nothing, I didn't do nothing really interesting. You know, so we're just gonna talk. I was just watching YouTube. Yeah, I watch YouTube. I watch other truckers too. They're just talking about a lot of truckers. A lot of truckers are quitting. A lot of truckers are giving up their truck and going back in the work field. How you feel about that, Lando? I mean, if it makes sense to you, do it. You know, especially for your finance. You know, it no sense of holding on to something and your house is going under, right? Now, if you're going back to work to strategize and come back out, that's I'm with that. You know me. But for me, if you ever hear that I have a job, just know I'm there trying to get them to teach me something. I'm not just there working, right? You gotta have a plan. Whatever you're doing, you gotta have a plan. You gotta have goals. A man without goals is lost. Period. If you don't have any goals, you're lost. You gotta know where you're going. So if you ever hear about Orlando in a job, for sure, I'm learning something from them that I can use to put towards my business. Now, I'm gonna say this boldly. Trucking industry ain't going nowhere. But yeah, the time is different, man. The time is different for sure. There's a lot of uncertainty going on right now. So I'm gonna say this for y'all truckers. You gotta put up for that day when the loads ain't flowing like it's supposed to, like it's supposed to. Like right now, I don't want to say slow season. We're not gonna speak that, but the loads are moving as smooth as they usually do, right? So what you do? You got to figure out what works for you. Like me, I was home like a whole December. I worked local. Why? Because it didn't make sense for me to be out of town, right? And I had some stuff going on. I still got some stuff going on, right? Matter of fact, I'm gonna be working local, well, for a little bit. I'm gonna be working local for a little bit, but I got some stuff. That's the only reason I'm working local though, because I have some stuff going on. You know me, the channel's name Business Team, so who knows? I might be filming the next Business Teams. You know, I got some stuff for y'all, man. I'm gonna drop it on y'all, but I got some stuff going on for sure. But back to what I was saying, truckers, listen to me. Now is the time to stack your bread, stack your money. Now is the time to hold back. Now's not the time to be going out when you on your 34 reset, just buying food like crazy. Now's the time to hey, y'all saw me? I was going to the dollar store, boy. I went to the dollar store. And I wasn't buying foolishness either just because of the dollars. I was going to the dollar store because now it's time to save your money. But there's a big sale coming. When I say a big sale, the world is going to give off a big sale. I can feel it. I know it. You know I'm a trader, so I watch the charts. I pay attention to the charts. I pay attention to certain news that the average person don't even pay attention to. So when this big sale come, if you did your thing right, if you save up your money, you can get some of these sales. Investment properties. You know, trucks. Because a lot of these truckers gonna fall off. Sad to say, but a lot of these truckers, they gonna fall off. Trucks going for the low. You know, trailers, whatever. So it's weird right now. I keep seeing people say $20 eggs. I don't eat eggs anyways. Well, you know, I cut it for this year. So now it's time to be stingy with your money. Nah, Ray, I can't send you that $40. You got to go work, bro. I got to stack up. Now's the time to save up. Now's the time to say, even though the market is a little weird right now, whatever you can, save up. Don't just take, and at the same time, to be strategic with the loads you take. Don't just take any load. Don't just take any load, man. Make sure that load makes sense, man. Because you know these brokers, they disrespectful. They're going to try you. They're going to try. These brokers, they are. Listen, I don't even like brokers, man. I need them for now. I'm working on a contract right now. I'm working on a contract. A local contract. Local. Or do I have it already? Video coming soon. Working on a contract right now where it makes a lot of sense to be home. Where the numbers are running almost as if I was over the road. Almost. Not quite. But working on a contract. So I'm local right now, man. You know. But I still got some over the road videos to drop though. I'm gonna drop some over the road video. So I don't know if I'm gonna drop it before or after this video. I don't know if I want to drop it. I might drop this video today. But all in all, guys, save your money. Be very wise with what you do right now, everything. Now is not the time to build debt. Nope. Now is the time to pay off them credit cards. Yup. Position yourself. Position yourself so when there's this big sale that's coming, listen to me now, this big sale that's coming, you're in a good position to bust some moves. Because it's a big sale coming. It's a big sale coming, man. Well, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Lando. And I am the man, though. And look, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share that thing, man. Subscribe, like, share that thing. But yeah, man, y'all have a good day. Y'all be blessed today, man. Be blessed. The Most High woke you up this morning. On to my